How to enable camera on Omegle. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to enable camera on Omegle. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So what we need to do is to just search in here for Omegle and then head over to their site. So let's search in here and let's click on this omegle.com. Now once we're in there, as you can see, this is their homepage. So what we need to do is to just click on this video right here. And then just check on this restrictions and this checkbox right here. Click on confirm and continue. And as you can see, Omegle is asking to use your camera. So if you have it on block, for example, then as you can see, the camera is blocked and not working. So enable it, you can just click on this icon right here. And then from in there, just click on this always allow. And then what you need to do next is you just click on this manage. Then this will open the settings of your Chrome. So from in there, you can just see this privacy and security, and it will open the site settings. So as you can see, here is Omegle right here. Just click on this. And then in here, you can see the permissions. So just scroll down and make sure that camera and microphone are allowed and not asked or blocked. So make sure that this is allowed, and also this one right here. Now once you have done that, you can just save that progress, and then from in there, just head over again to Omegle and then refresh the site. Then from in there, click on video again, and then check on this checkbox right here. Click on confirm and continue. And then what you can do next is you should be able to use it. Now if you won't be able to use it, that means that because one application on your computer is using camera. One example is this OBS right here. Since I'm recording right now, it is using my camera. So that's the whole process. I hope this video will help you to enable camera on Omegle. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below and I'll try our best to answer them. Thanks!